Next topic is electric dipole. Okay, so dipole, what it states actually? Right. So basically we play Coco, right? So you have two poles there. What are two poles? Coco la rendu pole na enna? Two extreme points. Yes, and also we have North Pole and South Pole for Earth. Yes, again they both are going to be two extreme points. Likewise for two charges, right? There are going to be extreme points where the polarity of charges are going to be fixed. Okay, so those type of charges which with equal and opposite nature, when it is fixed at two positions, they are called as dipole. Okay, so if I have a positive charge, let me take it negative charge and a positive charge of equal magnitude being separated by a distance of 2d, right? We call this as an electric dipole. So basically, two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance constitutes electric dipole. Okay, so two equal and opposite charges, which means what? Minus q plus q. They both are having same magnitude but opposite directions, right? So two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance. Here the distance is considered to be 2d. Is that clear? Right. So what is this dipole? See, basically you know pretty well, unlike charges attract each other. But how come they are going to be like separated by distance without attraction? Yes, north south attract aguma illaya, right? So attract agudhu, ana rendu separate agirukku. Eppadi? So that distance of separation where the influence of force is about to begin is called as dipole. அதாவது இந்த ரெண்டு சார்ஜ் இருக்குல்ல, minus q plus q, இந்த ரெண்டு சார்ஜுக்கு நடுவுல இந்த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் நம்ம மெயின்டைன் பண்றோம் தெரியுமா? இந்த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் உள்ள வந்தாலும் உங்களுக்கு ஃபோர்ஸ் வந்துரும், கொஞ்சம் விலகி போனாலும் ஃபோர்ஸ் இருக்கு. சோ இந்த ரெண்டு சார்ஜஸ் இருக்குல்ல, இந்த ரெண்டு சார்ஜஸ் கொஞ்சம் உள்ள வந்தாலும் ஃபோர்ஸ் அட்ராக்ட் ஆயிடும், கொஞ்சம் விலகி போனாலும் ஃபோர்ஸ் இருக்காது. So that positions are called as extreme positions. So we call this as dipole. Okay va? So dipole ஏன் சொல்றோம்? ரெண்டுமே equal and opposite polarities வச்சிருக்கு, ரைட்டா? அதனால வந்து we call this as dipole. And since it is dealt with electric charges, we call them as electric dipole. Is that clear? Right? Yes. And electric dipole moment is there. Okay, so dipole moment. So electric dipole moment is nothing but P vector is nothing but, it is nothing but the product of either of the magnitude of charges, which means what? ரெண்டு magnitude இருக்கா, minus q plus q, இது ரெண்டுத்துல ஏதாவது ஒரு சார்ஜ் எடுத்துக்கலாம். So magnitude, either of the magnitude of charge and the distance between them. So it's going to be 2d. Okay, so P is going to be a vector quantity, which means dipole moment is a vector quantity. So if it is a vector, right side should also be a vector. Obviously the displacement is vector quantity, right? Yes or no? Yes. So together I can write P as 2qd. Okay, and the unit is going to be what? Coulomb for charge, meter for displacement. So the unit is going to be capital C small m, centimeter கிடையாது. Okay va? Coulomb meter. So the unit of dipole moment is Coulomb meter. Is that clear? Do you have any doubts? And of course, since we are dealing with dipole moment, which means it has direction, how the directions will be coined? Basically, the directions of dipole moment will be opposite to direction of electric field. Electric field எப்படி பார்த்தோம்? பாசிட்டிவ்ல இருந்து நெகட்டிவ்க்கு போகும் பார்த்தோமா? டைபோல் மூமெண்ட்ல நெகட்டிவ்ல இருந்து பாசிட்டிவ்க்கு போகும். அதனால தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிட்டோம்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நெகட்டிவ் சார்ஜ் எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம், அதுக்கு அடுத்து பாசிட்டிவ் சார்ஜ். அப்போ டைபோல் மூமெண்டோட டைரக்ஷன் எப்படி இருக்கும்? இந்த டைரக்ஷன்ல இருக்கும். But electric field direction எப்படி இருக்கும்? இந்த directionல இருக்கும். Is that clear? Always dipole moment and electric field's direction will be 90 degrees. Sorry, 180 degrees. Okay, they are going to be always opposite. So they will be with an angle of 180 degrees. Is that clear? Right? ஏதாவது doubts இருக்கா?